Hi, it's Peter here from Coachwood Nursery and Organics on the central coast of New South Wales. It's autumn time here and we're just about to start harvesting our taro. Taro is a very interesting crop. It's something that they sometimes call the tropical potato because it's a root crop and it grows mainly in the tropics, but we can grow it here on the central coast quite easily. I think this one that we've got here is more of a cool climate variety. There are different varieties. And it's a beautiful plant. It's an alocasia. It has a lovely sort of a heart-shaped leaf. You can eat the leaves as well. They have to be boiled because they have a bit of an oxalate factor in the leaf. But the root is the main thing that you harvest. You can harvest them really any time of the year. This clump here is about 2 years old. You can see it. We've got it growing underneath the bananas here. It doesn't get a lot of water. It gets a bit of a water soak, but you don't have to grow it under the water. Sometimes you can get varieties which actually grow in permanent water soaks. This one here will take more of a dry sort of a situation. So I'm just going to show you what we do inside here. You can see these leaves, they're coming from a crown. So you just find a nice big leaf. There's one there with a nice decent sized root. They're very easy because the roots more or less come halfway out of the ground. You don't have to dig them very far. Just dislodge it. Up it comes like that. There's the root there. That's the part that you eat. And there's a bit of soil on it. You just shake that off. Break it off. Break the roots off as well. And then you have to cut the top off. Now normally you'd cut this just below where it's green. Around about here. Like that. You can break it off. You can see that lovely white flesh. That's the colour of it. So you'll clean that up, break all the roots off, get the hair off, and then peel it so that all that's gone and you're just left with this white flesh all around it. It's a very, very good crop to grow. You've got it all the time. If you can't grow potatoes, you can certainly grow this. And I'll be doing another one to show you how to eat it and process it. It has to be cooked, it can't be eaten raw. And the great thing about this is that it has so many different uses. You can boil it, you can bake it, you can fry it, add it to stir fries and do all sorts of things. It's a very versatile crop. So taro, well worth growing. If you want to see it growing or even buy a few corms to start your own, you can come to Coachwood Nursery and have a look and buy some. And you can have a look at our website for the open days, coachwoodnursery.com, or you can come to our open days or to the Harvest Festival on the June long weekend. So taro, a great crop, well worth growing.